Today I am reviewing the Waterpik Promax Water Flosser WF-23. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a simple way to improve your daily oral hygiene routine beyond regular brushing, the Waterpik Promax Water Flosser WF-23 is definitely worth considering. Water flossers have become increasingly popular over the years, and Waterpik has built a strong reputation as one of the most trusted names in the category. The Promax model continues that tradition by combining powerful cleaning performance with beginner-friendly features that make it easier than ever to develop healthier flossing habits. One of the standout features of this water flosser is its SmartAdvance Mode. This is an excellent feature, especially for people who are new to water flossing or those with sensitive gums. Instead of immediately using full water pressure, SmartAdvance gradually increases the cleaning intensity over a 2-week period with just the push of a button. This helps users comfortably adjust to water flossing without experiencing discomfort. It's a thoughtful feature that encourages consistency, which is one of the biggest factors in maintaining healthy gums. The Waterpik Promax is designed for a wide range of users. Whether you have healthy teeth, braces, dental implants, crowns, bridges, veneers, or sensitive gums, this device adapts well to different oral care needs. Traditional string floss can sometimes be difficult to use around orthodontic work or dental restorations, but the targeted stream of water makes cleaning around these areas much easier. It helps remove trapped food particles and plaque from places that are difficult to reach with a toothbrush alone. Performance is where this water flosser really shines. Waterpik's precision pulse technology combines water pressure with rapid pulsations to effectively clean below the gum line and between teeth. These are areas where plaque tends to build up over time, often leading to gum inflammation and bleeding if not properly cleaned. With regular use, many users notice healthier gums, fresher breath, and an overall cleaner feeling after each session. One of the biggest advantages of using a water flosser is how much more comfortable it can be compared to traditional floss. If you've struggled with flossing because it feels uncomfortable or difficult, this device offers a much more user-friendly alternative. The gentle stream of water massages the gums while cleaning, making the entire process feel less like a chore and more like a refreshing part of your daily routine. The Waterpik Promax also offers 10 adjustable pressure settings, allowing you to customize the cleaning experience. Beginners can start with the lower settings while more experienced users can gradually move up to higher pressure levels for a deeper clean. This flexibility makes the device suitable for nearly every user, regardless of sensitivity or experience. Another feature that deserves praise is the large water reservoir. It provides over 90 seconds of continuous flossing without needing a refill. For most users, this is more than enough time to thoroughly clean every section of the mouth in a single session. Not having to stop halfway through to refill the tank makes the entire experience much more convenient. The compact design is another pleasant surprise. Many countertop water flossers take up a significant amount of bathroom space, but the Promax has a relatively small footprint while still maintaining a generous water capacity. It fits comfortably on most bathroom counters without feeling bulky or intrusive. Noise levels are also well managed. While every water flosser produces some sound because of the internal pump, the Waterpik Promax operates noticeably quieter than many older models. This may seem like a small detail, but if you use it early in the morning or late at night, quieter operation becomes a welcome improvement. The package includes 5 interchangeable flossing tips, making it useful for households with multiple users. The 2 user profiles allow family members to personalize their settings, adding extra convenience without needing separate machines. The 360-degree rotating tip is another thoughtful design choice that makes reaching the back molars in difficult angles much easier than with fixed-tip models. Another major advantage is the American Dental Association acceptance. This provides additional confidence that the product has been independently evaluated for both safety and effectiveness. Waterpik has long been recommended by dentists and dental hygienists, and this model continues to meet those professional standards. It's reassuring to know that you're investing in a product backed by both dental professionals and years of research. Using the Waterpik Promax is straightforward. Simply fill the reservoir with lukewarm water, choose your preferred pressure setting, lean over the sink, and slowly guide the rotating tip along your gum line and between each tooth. Within a minute or two, your mouth feels remarkably clean. Many users also notice that their breath feels fresher because the water reaches areas that brushing alone often misses. Of course, no product is completely perfect. Since this is a countertop water flosser, it requires access to an electrical outlet and isn't as portable as cordless travel models. If you travel frequently, you may prefer a compact, rechargeable version for convenience. Additionally, users transitioning from traditional floss should expect a brief learning curve during the first few uses, as controlling the water stream becomes easier with practice. Fortunately, SmartAdvance Mode helps make this adjustment much smoother. Maintenance is also relatively simple. Regularly emptying the reservoir, cleaning the tips, and occasionally wiping down the unit will keep it operating efficiently for years. Waterpik also backs the Promax with a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty, providing additional peace of mind regarding long-term reliability. Overall, the Waterpik Promax Water Flosser WF-23 is an outstanding investment for anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene routine. It combines powerful cleaning performance, beginner-friendly technology, adjustable pressure settings, quiet operation, and thoughtful design into one easy-to-use device. Whether you're trying to reduce bleeding gums, clean around braces or implants, or simply achieve a cleaner mouth than brushing alone can provide, this water flosser delivers excellent results. For anyone who has struggled to maintain a consistent flossing habit, the Promax makes daily flossing much easier and more enjoyable. The gradual SmartAdvance system, generous water reservoir, multiple cleaning tips, and proven cleaning technology all work together to create a premium experience that lives up to Waterpik's reputation. If you're serious about improving your gum health and keeping your smile cleaner every day, the Waterpik Promax Water Flosser is an excellent choice that offers both convenience and professional-level performance. It earns a strong recommendation for first-time users and experienced water flosser owners alike.